time, I go for one time, I'm out of a mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, not the walk.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to if you're new here. Hey girl, I'm Jane and you're welcome to my space. Please don't make it your last by subscribing and leaving a cute comment below for me. Make sure to like this video so it can also get to other people. Today I'm going to be revamping my wigs. I've had them for a while. I actually do take care of my wigs the best way that I can. So these wigs have, not been pampered in a while, in a little over 6 months, and I decided to give them some TLC. So I reached out to a vendor here in Port Harcourt on Instagram, and guess what? She told me it was going to be 5k for each wig, and I'm like, hey girl, don't worry, I got this. So I went into the mall and I picked up some products. This is one of the Xpel shampoo and conditioner range. So I got it in strawberry. I got the shampoo and conditioner. I also have the Zikonaturals leave-in conditioner, which I swear by, and also the Mamiya Organic black castor oil, mayonnaise, and also olive oil. This is a hair serum, and guys, you really need a wide tooth comb for this process and some Ziploc bags. I don't have a lot, so we're gonna minimize. You see how I did that? Stay tuned for that. Anywho, so you need some warm water, guys. You don't need steaming, boiling water because we're not about to cook our wigs, okay? You need really warm water, and then you're going to go in with your shampoo. One thing I did was to be very generous with my products, guys. Don't be stingy with your products. You need as much as you can. Because I'm very lazy and I didn't want to do them individually, I decided to do everything at once. So you want to stick in all your wigs into this warm water with shampoo. Before you do this, make sure that you have detangled all your wigs. You don't want your wigs to be tangled while they are wet. That's one thing that you don't want to struggle with. So as you can see how I'm placing them, I place them vertical and horizontally so they don't mix up and get tangled. Okay, that's what I was doing. Now I let it sit for about 30 minutes in this warm water, and I came back to it eventually, and the washing starts. Now you're not going to start washing like you're washing clothes. You're going to take it very soft so you don't tear up your lace, and you don't want to be too hard on your hair.
Mad over you, like I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me. Yeah. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind, like every other time. Early in the morning, girl, it's you in my thought. I'm drowning in the ocean of your love. Deep down, I ain't going nowhere. Catch me, girl, me gonna go further.
I think it's crazy how you look my way. All the other guys who distracted flew by in bathing it. She said I'm lucky if I get my way. Seeing all my guys run their business is what'll make a break. You see I'm crossing over ponds, from the UK to New York, we are here moving to the song. Never miss a lyric, speak the truth is all I'm on. Here I'm rapping on my business, in the end I'll come out strong.
Mad over you, like I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me, yeah. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind, like every other time. Early in the morning, girl, it's you in my thought. I'm drowning in the ocean of your love. Deep down, I ain't going nowhere.
As you guys can see, the water is now very dirty. That's to tell you that, girl, those wigs need some revamping and some TLC, because we sweat a lot, and every time you wear your wig, you're probably putting hair serum on it, styling products on it, and guys, they make your wig stink. That guy may just have ghosted you because your wig was smelling. Now you want to wash this for the second time, same procedure, still with warm water. I decided to wash it the second time, guys, because these wigs were dirty, very dirty. Okay, and this product works for any type of wig, be it straight, wavy, coily, kinky. It's the same thing, same product, and it did just fine for me.
Catch me, girl, me gonna go for that.
I know my man, them gotta know. Stuffing in the Audi times the essence, man, they've gotta go. Gotta trust my fam to push me out and hit the road. Man, it's time to take a minute, strap my jack and flying low. I saw you capping on your Instagram, snapped a girl asking to see if she'd even make the plans. What you got there, an excuse, but she's due to land. She said maybe bon appetit before you do your dance. Roll a popping with Givenchy or Dior. Said the latest fashion line, got you fresh, not looking poor. The one to wear the jacket, I'm the boy up from the north. Man, I'm sweating in this weather, pop my collar, I'm getting warm. You would roll a popping with Givenchy or Dior. Said the latest fashion line, got you fresh, not looking poor. The one to wear the jacket, I'm the boy up from the north. Man, I'm sweating in this weather, pop my collar, I'm getting warm.
Mad over you, like I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me, yeah. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind, like every other time. Girl, you in the morning, girl, it's you in my thoughts. I'm drowning in the ocean of your love. Deep down, I ain't going nowhere. Catch me, girl, me gonna go for that.
This is finally out of the way, all washing done. Next thing you want to do is condition your hair like you would normally condition your natural hair. I did this without putting water in it, so I did this individually. I applied this to every single strand of the hair and I let it sit for about 10 minutes so that, you know, when I wash it out, my hair will become very soft. Because when you put water in your hair, you know, on your wigs, shampoo kind of make them a bit stronger. So you need this moisturizing product to help it, you know, soften a bit.
Over you, like I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me, yeah. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind, like every other time. Girl, in the morning, girl, it's you in my thoughts. I'm drowning in the ocean of your love. Deep down, I ain't going nowhere. Catch me, girl, me gonna go for that.
I think it's crazy how you look my way. All the other guys who distracted for buying bathing ape. She said I'm lucky if I get my way. Seeing all my guys run their business is what'll make a break. You see I'm crossing over ponds. From the UK to New York, we are here moving to the song. Never miss a lyric, speak the truth is all I'm on. Here I'm rapping on my business, in the end I'll come out strong.
I quickly rinsed that off and throw away the water, guys, because you need to just keep changing water. Moving on to treating our wigs, you need a bowl like this and you need to add your hair mayonnaise, oil and leave-in conditioner, you know, just to treat your wigs. This will keep your wigs moisturized and shiny, so be generous with that oil, baby, okay? So I'm going to apply this on every wig, every strand as well, just like as I did with the other conditioner. But first you want to comb out your wigs so that it will be easy for you to work with, okay? At this point your wigs must have gotten a bit of tangling here and there, so you want to use your white comb to, you know, brush it out and then apply this treatment on your wigs. So when you're done applying this treatment on all your wigs, next thing you want to do is put it in a Ziploc bag and seal it up. Then some people would say put it in a microwave for, you know, about 10-15 minutes, but for me I use steaming hot water, like really boiling hot water. You see all of that soon. So when I did that, I just left it for about 10 minutes and I took it out from the Ziploc bag, quickly rinsed it, just a quick rinse, not too much, and then I air dry it, guys. Next thing I did was style my wigs. I'm perfecto, baby. Quickly put on hair serums and I'm on the go. My wigs were already styled, all curled, all straightened, no stress whatsoever, and I've been using them like that so far. So let me know if this video really helped you by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, and turning on your post notification bell for when I post a new video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section as well, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.
Make them they talk, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got a inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer.